Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest travel hacks to make your trips smoother and stress-free. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to add baggage to your Expedia flight for 2025. With airlines getting stricter on baggage policies, knowing this step-by-step process can save you time, money, and headaches at the airport. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Expedia account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to sign up. Head over to the Expedia website or app and create an account using your email. Once you're in, navigate to the My Trips section. This is where all your upcoming bookings are stored. Look for the specific flight you want to update and click on it to manage your reservation. Next, you'll see options for your booking details. Scroll down or look for a section labeled Baggage or Add-ons. Here, you can select the type of baggage you need, whether it's an extra checked bag, a carry-on, or even oversized items. Expedia often partners with airlines like American, Delta, or United, so double-check the baggage fees, which might vary based on your flight's airline and destination. For 2025, remember that some policies have changed, so adding baggage in advance could save you up to 50% compared to airport fees. After selecting your baggage, review the costs. Expedia will show you a breakdown, including any taxes or surcharges. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and proceed to payment. You'll need to enter your payment details if you haven't already. Once paid, you'll get a confirmation email from Expedia. Save that for your records. A few quick tips to make this even easier. Always add baggage as soon as possible after booking to lock in lower rates. Double-check your airline's weight and size limits to avoid surprises. And if you're traveling internationally, some countries have additional restrictions, so plan ahead. There you have it. That's how you add baggage to your Expedia flight for 2025. I hope this guide helps you pack with confidence. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.